now for my first deer hunt of the season 2020-2021. Just going to show you what I'll be packing for the day. Shooting sticks. Put them out there like so. Get your rifle up. And you go bang. So that means you've always got a resting spot when you're out there. Bringing the rifle, of course. The bipod in the front of it. You can extend the legs in the bipod as well. And you can see I got the moderator on the front there as well. I'll be bringing 3 knives with me. Skinning knife with a good hook in it. That's for ripping open the gut without busting the cavity or busting the intestines. I like small knives, a little small knife for cutting around the anus or whatever you need to do with that. And then a big Victorinox boning knife just in case. I was bringing a knife sharpener as well. For optics, I have the Vortex Diamondbacks, they're 10x42s. Very good. They'll go in the breast pocket of the chest pocket of my smock. Also on my hip, just here, I'll have my Yukon rangefinder. Works up to 1,000 meters. Very, very good. So I'll be carrying that on me. I'll have the knives, some baby wipes, towel, zippies for organs, heart, lungs, or heart and liver, kidneys. And the knives, I'll keep all them and backup ammo in a bag that I probably won't even carry with me to the mountain. I'll just leave it stashed off at the start of the mountain. And then if I get successful hunt, I can go back and get the bag. There's no point in me carrying around extra noise, extra messing around. Headlamp. On the evening hunt, so you need your headlamp. And then just in case there's a tree nearby and I can manage to get the deer up onto the branch, a couple of meat hooks through the hocks up onto the branch, and then you can gut it then a bit more freer. So I'm using Federal 100 grain. The magazine holds 4 bullets and one in the chamber, so you can bring 5 with you. 2's enough. I'm going to be shooting, if you're shooting 3 bullets at one deer, you shouldn't be hunting there. So I'll fill this up before, and I'll keep the rest of the box in the bag just in case I need them. The magazine won't go in the gun now till I get there. I'll keep the magazine separate. The bolt, I'll leave the bolt in the gun, safety on. I used to carry a trigger lock with me as well when I'm going hunting. I don't do that anymore because I've been leaving the keys off it in different places, and it's no use. You can't shoot your gun if the trigger's locked in it. So I don't use one of them anymore. For the hunting gear, clothes, I'll be using the Ridgeline smock. Ridgeline smock and trousers. And today I have to wear wellies because my hunting boots are knackered. I have to replace them. So I didn't get a chance to get new ones, so just wellies today, which I don't like hunting them. I'm going to load the van up there now, head off. Deep into the Wicklow Mountains. Hopefully we get lucky. I'm hunting one mountain, my brother's hunting the other mountain, so hopefully one of us gets something. I'm going to pack up the van now and head off. We should be leaving at about 10 to.